Get ready with me to batch create content. It's 8:36 now. I woke up not long ago. So I have so much to do. My only prayer today is that NEPA will just give me light because there's no fuel in the gen. In this video, I'm going to take you through the whole process. I don't just want to post for 12 days. I want to post for the entire 31 days. I know that's going to be very crazy and hectic, but by God's grace, it's something I want to do. I'm going to show you how I came up with the content ideas and everything, just show you my thought process and my content strategy, because I created a content strategy for this. I'm going to show that to you. So if you're planning to show up for Vlogmas and you're confused on how to do it, please watch this video to the end and you're going to find it very, very helpful. It will help you not just for Vlogmas, but for any challenge that you want to do. If you want to do a 12 days challenge, 21 days, 31, it doesn't matter. This video is going to help you make it easy for you. Okay, so let's go. Let me take you to my screen and show you how I came up with content ideas. I just created a very simple content strategy for Vlogmas. Let me show you. As you can see, YouTube strategy. My goal is to increase my watch hours and get monetized by the end of this challenge by God's grace, and also to increase my community and engagement. My audience are beginner content creators and also content creators who want to learn how to create better content and edit better videos. My content pillars are content creation for beginners, video editing, and video creation. Content types are sit-down videos, also known as talking head videos, tutorials, vlogs, talking vlogs, and also voiceover vlogs. Like for this one, I'm mixing both, and FaceTime videos. You know those videos that are very spontaneous. You just pick up your camera and start talking. It's as if you're talking to your friend on FaceTime. Yeah, that's another content type I am going to use. And I'll be posting daily for 31 days. God help me. And my content schedule, this one was very important because it helped me. This is very important because it helped me set my content calendar. So Mondays, content creation for beginners. Tuesdays, a topic will be on video editing. Wednesdays will be vlogs. Thursdays, content creation for beginners. Fridays, video editing. Saturdays, video creation. And I added video creation and vlogs just once a week because it's not really part of my content. Not really. It is so, but not really. Not, it's just a little bit. It makes up like 20% of my content. While video creation for beginners and video editing makes up about 80%. So that was why I included it. So video creation Saturday and video editing on Sundays. So this was what helped me create my content. So what I did to generate content ideas, because I'll take you to my content ideas here. What I did to generate this, I have my content for the next 31 days. Although for the vlogs, I kind of left them empty because I will be recording spontaneous vlogs. I don't know the activities I'll be doing, the activities I'll be having in Vlogmas. So whatever they are, I would love to vlog them and, add them to the vlog. So I just left them. I didn't really leave them empty. I gave myself a few ideas, but in my mind, I know that in case I'm not able to do this, I'm just going to post the vlogs that I create, normal vlogs I create. The vlog I'm going to post on Wednesday, I went to the biggest widows ministry in Jos, and this happened. This is like, if there's any video I want to go viral on my channel, is this one, even though I know it's not connected to my channel, but this is so special to me. It's about a widows ministry. So I already have the videos and I will just edit it. You've seen my content, and the ways how I was able to generate these content ideas was by using the content strategy that I showed, and then the content pillars, and also my goals. So since I know that my goal is to increase my watch hours, I went into my YouTube studio. So I went to this section. You can see top videos. These are the top videos on my channel now, and I got most of my ideas from them because these are the videos that are currently working on my channel. And if I recreate something similar, hopefully, or by God's grace, it will still work. So I got some of my content ideas from here. I also got some content ideas from Trends. Went to Trends, searched for content on my niche, through using my content pillars, and I was able to come up with content ideas, how to become a content creator. Even though this one has low volume, this one has a high volume. You can see I saved it. How to start content creation. So I'm going to create something like this because this is something that's currently working. So I also got ideas from what people are watching. Okay, so another way that I was able to get content ideas was by going into YouTube and searching on the search bar. Going to the search bar and typing, you can see video editing tutorials using phone. This was one of the keywords I got from YouTube. So I was able to search and get content ideas. I also got some from creators in my niche, some content ideas. So if you're trying to get content ideas for Vlogmas, these are the ways that you can do it to get content that will actually work for you. And let me know in the comment section if you're going to implement this, if you're going to use these methods to get content ideas. Let's go get ready to start creating content. this as the warm-up session you get to do before the main match. Oof, never. I'm dressed for the third video. I'm about to record it and I am so tired. Like you can hear it from my voice, my face. I'm exhausted. But I still have 4 more to go. I've just done 2. Like the first video was about 32 minutes long. I know that when I cut it, it would be like maybe 15 minutes or less. The second video, that was a CapCut tutorial for beginners. It was between 52 to 54 minutes long. Like, hey, and I have to edit these things though. Like, how? And now I'm about to record the third video and I am just tired. But we'll keep pushing. We'll keep pushing. And yeah, the Lord is my strength and yours. Just make sure that you have the word that you want to add behind you. Go to font. So it's currently a few minutes after 9 and they brought the light a few minutes ago. Before the light came, I was actually planning to round up and just call it a day and then maybe continue tomorrow to see how far I will go before doing other things that I have to do tomorrow. But thankfully the light came. So as much as I'm tired, like I'm exhausted, I'm just going to try. We still have 3 more videos to go. So I'm going to try to see how far I can go. If I'm able to record all 3, and I'll be so happy so that I can do other things tomorrow. But yeah, I had to change one of the topics. There was one I wanted to record, easy mistakes I made as a beginner content creator, but I'm going to change. I changed it. I don't feel okay with that video for now. So I'm changing it to something else and something even better, I feel. So I will record that instead. And so what I'm going to do now, I'll just go and change, freshen up a bit, and come and record video 4. Let's go. Let me find trouble. Like I am getting to that point that I'm beginning to rethink my choices. Do I really need to do this thing? Do I need to do it for the whole 31 days? Like, let's get ready. The time is currently 11:37. I'm using my phone's camera, so yes, but I'm so excited to let you know that by the grace of God and to the glory of His name, I did it. I was able to record all 6 videos not long ago, and I've packed everything. I'm done, and I'm so happy to say that I have my first 6 and 2 extra videos for the first 8 days of Vlogmas. today was such a challenging day. Like, honestly, I didn't know that I would be able to finish all of them. I didn't know that I will be able, I thought it was going to be an epic fail, especially when NEPA took the light and I almost just changed and told myself, okay, maybe tomorrow we'll finish it. But I'm so glad that they brought the light back. And it has been here, and I was able to finish everything and wrap it up. And the good thing about this is that the last three videos were the easiest. One was 16 minutes, 12, and 9 minutes. It wasn't that long. It was easier, it was more chill, even though I was very tired. But yeah, if you're still watching this far, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for staying with me. It's because of you that I'm able to show up. Thank you so much. Thank God for the strength that He gave me, because what? Thank God for the strength, honestly. Yeah, I am just going to pray, read my Bible, and call it a night, because it has been what a day. Thank you for watching. And there are lots of other videos in my channel that you can watch. Honestly, I don't even, my mind is not thinking on what to recommend. But I have playlists and videos that you can catch up on content creation and video editing. And if you need a video editor to help you edit your videos for YouTube or social media, hi there, I'm your girl. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.